Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who was in Myanmar recently to attend the ASEAN-Indian Summit and the East Asia Summit, focused on the need for stronger relations with the Southeast Asian countries, especially Myanmar. The two sides discussed a wide range of issues, including better connectivity with India's northeastern region. We have a report.
Strengthening ties in the fields of culture, trade and enhancing connectivity were high on the agenda during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Myanmar. He was in capital Naypyidaw to attend the 12th ASEAN-India Summit and the East Asia Summit, where he highlighted the need for greater collaboration between the nations for facilitating economic development and countering security challenges. The Prime Minister also focused on the importance of the ASEAN and the East Asia Summit for India's Act East policy.
और विशेष सौभाग्य की बात इसलिए भी है कि पहला अवसर मुझे म्यांमार की धरती पर मिला है। म्यांमार भारत का एक महान पड़ोसी है, जिसके साथ हमारे संबंध सांस्कृतिक हैं, ऐतिहासिक हैं और एक प्रकार से इस भूभाग के प्रवेश द्वार के रूप में म्यांमार हमारे लिए अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण है। पूर्व की तरफ भारत की यात्रा म्यांमार से ही शुरू होती है।
Prime Minister Modi met with Myanmar President U Thein Sein and discussed the prospects of expanding bilateral ties and the vast trade potential that some of the special economic zones in Myanmar offer to India. He also reviewed significant connectivity projects like the multimodal Kaladan project, the India-Myanmar-Thailand trilateral highway, and the starting of a bus service between Imphal and Mandalay. The trilateral highway project, scheduled to be completed in about 2 years, will pass through Moreh in Manipur and unlock the vast economic potential of the 8 northeastern states.
Prime Minister mentioned that India is very keen on infrastructural connectivity between Thailand and India's northeast, and one such project is the trilateral highway. Also, there was reference to how the Daewoo port is coming up, and he felt that once this port comes up, connectivity between Thailand and India would be further enhanced.
The Prime Minister also met with the heads of the other countries on the sidelines of the summit. Stronger relations with the ASEAN nations will benefit India, especially the Northeast region, which is India's gateway to Southeast Asia.